If you try to suppress a sneeze by pinching your nose and closing your mouth, you create a pressure cooker effect inside your skull. Instead of escaping at 160 kilometers per hour, a powerful wave of compressed air is forced into your eustachian tubes. This instantly spikes the pressure in your middle ear, causing your eardrums to rupture. In worst-case scenarios, the extreme force can even cause a blood vessel to burst directly in your brain. You're trying to be polite in a quiet room, but instead, you're triggering a miniature bomb inside your head. While it seems harmless, holding it in can send you straight to the operating table.